Hi, my name is Nick Hanselman with Hanselman Farrier Service LLC. I graduated Arkansas Horseshoeing School in February of 2017. What I liked about Arkansas Horseshoeing School were the smaller class sizes, which led to more one-on-one instruction. Another reason I chose AHS were because the forging tools were included and it allowed me to get started in the trade. Under the instruction of Paul Doris Jr. and Jacob Price, I was taught the fundamentals to sound horseshoeing. There I enjoyed the opportunities to observe and participate in therapeutic cases and modern farrier techniques. Attending AHS has given me the knowledge to obtain my certification with the American Farriers Association, and I will continue to work towards my journeyman. Even though I no longer attend there, Mr. Doris and Mr. Price still take time out of their schedules to help answer any questions that I may come across. I'd like to thank them for their expertise within the trade. Thank you.